Hey guys, this recipe is from my cookbook Dolce Famiglia, and little Dante a few years back, his favorite recipe was highlighted and now he is working the camera, right Dante?
Yep.
Just a simple, delicious tomato sauce, and it's a quick rice, kind of risotto style, and easy. We're gonna put it with fior di latte or mozzarella. We have some plum tomatoes that are just chopped, some butter, Parmigiano, and rice. For risotto, you need an Italian style rice like Arborio or cannelloni. We want to put a little bit of butter.
Daddy, why did you put it square?
Why did I put it square? Let's make little triangles. How's that? Is that better?
Yep.
Now we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Rice right in. This we want it to get it nice and toasted. Okay. Nice. So we just want to make sure that all the rice gets coated. Oh, Dante, you know what I forgot?
What?
The most important thing.
Parmigiano?
Vino. No, Parmigiano is the second most important thing. Vino. A little bit of white wine. Start seeing some of the starches already coming out. We're gonna add a little bit of water. This is just regular water from a tea kettle. See? Beautiful.
It's getting creamy.
Well, it's slowly gonna start getting creamy, right? Because all the starch gets released. And so this is just gonna cook for about 16 minutes. So a risotto isn't about staying and stirring constantly. You know what I'm saying, Dante?
Yep.
You give it a stir every so often, and that's it. And while that is cooking, we are now gonna make our sauce. So we have some olive oil, some chili, and now garlic. We're just cooking the garlic. And in goes some chopped plum tomatoes. Look at that beautiful color, bud. How's that look?
Looks yummy.
Doesn't it? So look at what's going on. It's getting nice and creamy. A little bit of salt. Okay. And now a little for the risotto. Now, is this easy, Dante? You think you can make this?
Yep.
Good job, kid. So this is almost ready. Look at how the risotto is nice and creamy. See the garlic?
Yep, take it out.
Yeah, we're just gonna remove it. Now, I'm just gonna remove it. There's about a minute left and it's all done. But what we're gonna do is add this in, Dante. And we're just going to finish it up right now by mixing it. So right now it's at pre-al dente stage and we just added in the sauce. We're gonna finish cooking it, and some of the tomato sauce is going to reduce and turn into a nice thick creamy risotto. Look at that. Okay, this is ready. So we're gonna get the mozzarella, cut it in half. Just cut it into cubes. Okay, nice. Now we're gonna add the cheese. The risotto's done. We're gonna add Parmigiano. You always do this with the heat off. See, look at the mozzarella. Okay, it's ready. This never disappoints.
So good.
How is it, bud?
Very good.
Very good.
And creamy.
Verdict?
Excellent. Did you make it, Dante?
No, he just filmed it.
I filmed it.
I can tell, I can taste it. It's excellent.
Family approved?
Yep.